Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can do the new mini achievements in Grow Garden. If you go to guide and go to mini achievements, there is a Halloween event part 1 achievements, and the reward for it is just a pumpkin fence. It's cute, I guess, but honestly, the achievements are very hard to attain. I'm going to try my best. I don't know if I'm going to get everything. So here is everything that you'll need to do. I've only completed these ones. So let's see what I can buy right now. I have only 143, so I think I'm going to get some mushrooms. And then here I'm going to get a spooky egg. And then since none of the other items are in stock and the cosmetics aren't very necessary anyways to the achievements, yeah, that's pretty much it really that I can do. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.